Video. This is the Rope Masters videoKast, your source for the best in rope skipping instruction. Hosted by world champion Peter Nessler.
This episode of the videoKast is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I have my good friend here. This is Randy Modesitt, or as most people just call him, Mod. And he's the coach of the High Five jump rope team. And he used to be the coach of the River Valley Skippers in West Virginia, and then he started this new sort of performance team. So I've asked Mod to help me out with this episode, and it's going to be a little bit different because most of the time, most people do the jumping and teach on it. Mod really doesn't jump that much. So he's actually going to have a couple of the kids from his team teaching the tricks that they're going to be doing. They're going to be doing some two-wheel, and they're going to start off with a EB cross inside of two-wheel, and then for the varsity level, they're going to be doing a trick that they made up, which is a kind of a complicated 360 Crougar while the other person's doing a full turn cross. And it looks really cool, and it's a real neat trick. So Mod will be teaching that and showing you how to do those things, and should be fun.
JV skill.
For the JV skill on Chinese wheel, the girls will demonstrate the EB cross. As in an EB with a single rope, one hand will be placed behind the back while the other hand is crossed in front of the body. To return to the basic Chinese wheel, the jumper will return both hands to a normal wheel jumping position. The girls will begin by doing the basic Chinese wheel, and as the rope passes over the jumper's head, the hands will be crossed, and to complete the trick, they will return to the basic wheel. Notice that to perform this trick, the girls slow the rope slightly, and as the hands are crossed and uncrossed, the jumper not performing the EB maintains a normal wheel turning pattern. And that is the EB cross with the Chinese wheel.
Varsity skill.
For the varsity skill on Chinese wheel, Jesse and Morgan will demonstrate a combination of skills called the 360 Crougar, followed by a cross. To perform this combination of skills, the girls will begin with the basic wheel. They will then turn to the inside, while Jessie places her inside hand under her leg. She will complete the 360, and as she returns to a normal wheel position, Morgan performs a full turn cross. Now the girls will perform this combination while jumping. Now we will have the girls turn around so we can see the skill perform from another angle. That was the varsity Chinese wheel combination called the 360 Crougar with a cross.
For more information, check out www.jumprm.com.